So as an engineer,
I think you have to explain what agile means.
okay, yeah. So agile is basically a phenomenon that came out of essentially it's a way of shipping products. So you can decide, how long it takes to basically ship certain features. And the idea is that these are short stints where there's a lot of interaction between the members of the team that are creating the products, the engineers, the product manager, and the designers. And the idea is that you have this iterative cycle of creating a product so that you don't end up with something that you actually never intended to build or doesn't actually work, right? The idea is that you're collecting feedback and constantly iterating on the products until you create something that customers really love. And so
that's what made you transition from software engineering to product or?
Yes, so at the time, Agile was not something that was very popular. Waterfall was very popular, whereby essentially I was in my own world. Product manager said, "Hey, we need to build this. Go build it," and then I would be in my own world for like 3 months with no real communication about what we're building, why we're building it. Do customers like what we have so far or not? No feedback. And then 3 months later, product manager would see the product and say, can we change this? Can we do that? And that would just be, yes, another cycle of 3 months of building with no feedback and all that. And that was very frustrating for me as an engineer, a very hard way of working. It wasn't very collaborative. There was not a lot of opportunity to work with other engineers and designers and really the stakeholders of the product. So I thought it would be interesting to transition to start to think about what that looks like, being more at the forefront of conversations.
Yeah.
What are we building? Why are we building this?
What are the features that the customer need?
Exactly. What are the pain points we're actually solving for?